so hot. Oh, I've never seen it so hot. It must be at least 14 and a half, maybe even 15 degrees, like.
Hey team, Carl here, Red Beard Recipes. It's Christmas in Australia, so it's absolutely boiling. We won't be having a roast this year, we're going to do barbecue. We're going to do pulled pork on here. So let's get it fired up, let's get it started.
Yeah, boy.
For our rub, we're going to be using 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 3 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 3 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Make sure you slap your meat thoroughly to show who's in charge.
Oh, you dead again.
Then we're going to score the skin and salt lightly all over and let it sit for around 15 minutes. Then we're going to add mustard and rub that in all over as well. Next we'll rub in our rub that we've just made, making sure we get in all of the gaps and across every part of the meat.
And then work that into your meat. Give your meat a good old rub.
We're going to fire up a smoker or barbecue, or you can do this in the oven as well. We're going to pop it on about 120 degrees Celsius for around 3.5 hours. Using some Banksias here as well, just to add some little flavour into the smoke. I'm going to spray it, if you're doing it on a barbecue, with half vinegar, half water, every hour to 2 hours, depending on how dry it's looking. After this, I left it overnight, covered in tin foil in a baking tray in the oven on around 100 degrees. And then the next day we pulled it and smashed it. So after all of that, I didn't even get any footage of us making any sliders with it or eating them to enjoy them. They were absolutely delicious, and I'd recommend doing this using either a slaw or a kraut to go with it, and use the sticky barbecue or the kebab chili. They go really well with it as well. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
That's it, I'm out of here.